Woo. Yeah. Check it. Fuck it. Yo. Infatuated with carrying blue chrome. Show up to your grave site just to shoot up your tombstone. It's no room for the coward and snake, so you can see the yellow tape. The guy left a bloody lake. I had to loot you. It's man like Shaka Zulu. Black voodoo, I'm the man like Master Guru. I blast your noodle, all over your Yeezy's brutal. I hustle like a crackhead, getting so much money they wanna shoot you in the back, kid. Ain't no ferry when I'm robbing your hood, extorting your goods, getting richer than the lottery could. The guy moving up, you knew I probably would. Pulling revolvers out of my coat, you laugh till you choke. This fucking 38 down your throat. Make sure my tracks master like Tone and Poke. You get poked.
Bust off a craft single, wrinkles, glue the pickle like Monica L. Bullets spin you like Sonic and Tails. Designer could tell. Assignments on time in the jail. Official tissue wipe the smell off your grill. Diamonds get built. Apply pressure, top with a bill. Whoa. Saute the dino kill. These niggas softer than swung. You can get up, ain't no infrared in the Bonneville. Does some hastes with betting. Let's say we was due $1, I shoot him through his vintage and valet. For I'll pay, be a challenge to concave. Call it a ball game, swing batter in Salt Lake. Utah, no batter, your matter is more great. Who rock the X with the leaders? Then hop out the X with Rita to cheer. Bet my rep, you won't gon' step the meter. Even the smallest project mountains will flip you right in front of housing. The housing let them rip you while the Douglas balance. Dancing bears on their grizzle.
Word up.
Yeah. Wow.
This shit is for the birds.